I just noticed my zoom level was at 1 instead of 2. So I have my Conscendo. There's a lot of wind. You can see it probably interacting right now. I'm going to try a quick flight. I like to just try to take a few passes in that low side. So here we go. Everything's good. Nothing has actually changed. I got 3.9 volts, so it should be plenty. And there's the wind. I'm going to wait for a second here for that gust to pass, and then I'll launch into the wind. It's coming from my right. So it's still there, but settled up a little bit. There we go. A couple of low passes, and with the 2x zoom should be much better on the action cam. In other words, I had plenty of battery left. Same battery. Same field, obviously. Really tiny. There we go, a low pass against the hill. And the wind is shifted behind me again. There it is, a low pass. Skirting the ground. And the wind is now from my left, causing that wind stall there. So I was thinking I had plenty of wind in front of me. There's a good belly shot of the plane. Yeah, let's see if we can get another low pass here. Was able to do a fair amount of gliding with no power on this. Yeah, I got the wind coming from behind me again. And we'll do another minute of powered flight, and then I'll bring her down. Wind seems to have let up. I'm going to fly another couple of minutes. This plane does handle the wind extremely well, which is nice. It gives you a plane to fly when it's windy, obviously. More so than maybe some of my other UMX planes. I do fly the Turbo Timber Evolution and my air tractor. Those are the other two that I have. in decent winds, maybe up to 12. This was 13, 14 when I got here. It was plus gusts, and the gusts were really kicking it up pretty good when I got here.
7 minutes.
Let's see if we can get another kick it around quick and bring her down nice and low. Now the wind's shifting again. Very smooth flyer. If you haven't seen my video from Silver Lake, that's a great one to view. I'll put a link down in the description below this. That was a good long flight with the sunset up in Silver Lake, Michigan, over the sand dunes, and some of the flight was over the dunes. Really nice. There we go. There's the wind is coming from my left, so I'm basically heading into the wind there. We'll bring it around hard. Now I'm downwind. See it drifting. Three S power cuts through the wind really nicely. A little further down than I've been before. Bring her down low. .38 on the voltage. It's been a remarkable battery. Yep, now the wind shifted to my right, which is a good way for me to land into the hill like I did in the last flight. Alright, I think we're gonna call this quits. Go around again. And again, just because of got up a little high there with the wind and my powered turnout. Yeah, let's see if we can bring her down here now. Oh, a little fast. I'm gonna try to add the spoiler and bring it down the way I normally do. Not quite there. Just kind of coasted it around. Fun little glider. Even with the spoiler up, it's not dropping. That wind is just holding it up. I'm going to try to get down a lot lower out there. There we go. That'll do it. the UMX Conscendo. Down again. And please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of future Conscendo flights or other planes in my hangar. Been fun. Windy day at the field. And the Conscendo is just one of those great planes that handles it pretty well overall. And there we go. We are ready to go back and put a new battery in and see what else we can do.